Alright, welcome back. Now that you took a look at your homework, today we're going to get into some more interesting math. So let me show you how this works. Today is the 25th. We're still on section 5.6. It's called the law of signs. But today we're going to be talking about what are called ambiguous cases. We're going to spend a few days on this. We'll talk about it today, we'll talk about it tomorrow, and then we're going to continue talking about this on Monday. So don't be concerned if you don't understand it. And it's possible with the law of signs to come up with 0, 1, or 2 solutions. And let me show you what I mean. Generally what you're going to be given is you're going to be given angle A, side B, and side A. Now the first thing we're going to do when we get these is we have to figure out the height of the triangle. Now the height of the triangle is always going to be the same. And the height of a triangle is equal to B times the sine of angle A. You're going to be given side B and you're going to be given angle A. Now from here there's three things that could happen. So just try to stay with me for now. And I attached a copy of this flowchart if you'd rather have that. We're going to compare side A and the height, which is always B times the sine of A. And there could be three things that could happen. One scenario is side A could be smaller than the height. If that happens, you wind up with a triangle that looks something like this. And we say that there's no solution. Side A and the height, if the height's bigger, there's no way to swing side A so that it touches the ground. It'd be better if I showed you in person, but of course we can't do that. So we'll practice some more. Just figure out what the height is, and if that's bigger than side A, you're going to tell me that there's no solution. If side A is equal to the height, now the height is a right angle. If the height is equal to side A, then you have one right triangle and there's one solution. And I'll show you examples of all these in a little bit. Today the main idea is that you could just figure out how many triangles there are. The next few days we're going to be actually solving them, but for right now we'll go nice and slow. And please leave me comments if you're confused. I'll try to review as much as I can. Third option is side A is bigger than the height. Well, if that's the case, then there's actually two other things that could happen. What we're going to do is we're going to compare sides A and B. If side A is bigger than side B, there's one solution, and the answer looks like this. If side A is smaller than side B, then there's going to be two triangles. One triangle is going to look like this. And the other triangle, instead of taking this side A and drawing it here, we're going to take that side and draw it right here. So this would be a third triangle. And these two angles would actually be the same. But for right now, what I need you to be able to do is just find how many triangles are there. And if I were you, I'd maybe write down this flow chart or print out the one that I posted. Step number 1 is you find the height. Step number 2 is you compare side A and B sine A. If the height is smaller, or let's write it like this. If A is bigger than the height, there's, if A is smaller than the height, there's no solutions. If A equals the height, there's one solution. If side A is bigger than the height, then we have to compare the sides. If side A is bigger than B, there's one solution. And if side A is smaller than B, there's two solutions. So I'll show you 3 examples and we'll try to figure it out together. For the first example, let's say that side A is equal to 75 degrees, B is equal to 6, and side A is equal to 7. Let's draw a triangle and then we'll find the height. Now the height is always B times the sine of A. On my calculator, I'm going to type in what's 6 times the sine of 75 degrees. My calculator's telling me it's 5.6. Oh, 5.8, I'm sorry. Alright, so let's look at our flow chart. It looks like we found the height, and side A, 7, is bigger than the height. That's right here. The next step is we have to compare sides A and B. Okay. Well, side A is 7 and side B is 6. So it looks like side A is bigger than side B. Look back up to the flow chart. If side A is bigger than side B, there's one solution. So I'm going to write one solution for this. That's all I need you to be able to do today. Alright, let's try 2 more. What if I told you angle A was 85 degrees, side B was 5, and side A is 4? Let's draw a triangle. triangle, and then we're going to find the height. The height is always b times the sine of angle A. So that's 5 times the sine of 85. The calculator's telling me that's 4.98. Round it to be 5. So we're going to compare side A and the height. Well, it looks like side A is 4 and the height is 5. So side A is smaller than the height. So if we were drawing it to scale, it would look something like this. It doesn't quite touch. So let's look at our options and what happens when side A is smaller than b sine A. Well, if side A is less than b times the sine of A, then we have a triangle that doesn't quite touch, and there are no solutions. I know this is a little bit strange right now, but it's a new topic, and I'm sure you'll be able to handle it. Maybe not today, but definitely by Monday. We're going to be practicing every day until then. Alright, and one more option. Let's say we have angle A is 65 degrees, side B is 7, and side A is 6.5. Let's draw triangles. And the first step is we always find the height. We're going to compare side A and B times the sine of A, or 6.5 and 7 times the sine of 65 degrees. I had the hiccup, sorry. 7 times the sine of 65 is 6.34. So side A is bigger than b times the sine of A. So the height is going to be 6.34, which is bigger than, or which is smaller than 6.5. Let's look at our chart. What happens when side A is bigger than b times the sine of A? Side A is bigger than b times the sine of A. Our next step is we have to compare sides A and B. And let's see what happens. For this triangle, if we compare sides A and B, side A is 6.5 and side B is 7. A is actually smaller than B. So let's see what that means. We'll go back to the chart, and if A is smaller than B, there's two solutions. That's how this works. That's what I would like you to do for homework. Look at the flow chart if you need to, and draw it out. One triangle would actually look like this. I don't expect you to know this right now, but this is coming tomorrow. And this same side, for the second solution, we're going to draw over here. So those are the two solutions, and we'll figure out tomorrow how to solve them. For homework, this is what I would like you to please do. I would like you to determine the number of solutions to these three problems. homework. Alright, so what I'm going to ask you to do is they're going to look like this. 80, 65, and 70. And then side A is 7.5, 8.5, and 10.5. And then for side B, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so for tomorrow, good luck, have a good time, and I'll see you soon.